morning everyone and welcome to the vlog. Today I am in Koreatown, which is near Lougheed SkyTrain, at one of my favourite coffee shops, and I am eating one of my favourite dessert treats. In theory, I haven't had breakfast or lunch, but I'm excited to eat this. This is one of my favourite things. I dream about this dessert. It is the crow waffle, the vanilla chocolate crow waffle, and it's amazing. So join me while I tuck in. Hot dog time. Okay, after much trial and error, we have found a mattress cover. I'm hoping that when I take it home, it will be really cozy to sleep in, but to be continued. Okay, meal number 2 of the shopping trip, Ikea meatballs. Good morning everyone. I am currently rushing a little, but I am going to do something for myself this morning. I'm going to get a massage and I'm very excited about it. I'm treating myself again. Highly recommend Lee's Donuts if you're in Vancouver. So I'm going to do a very quick Ikea haul. First things first, I just got 2 mini little pots for my cupboards. I also got a oven glove because I don't have an oven glove. I needed a new fitted bed sheet, so I bought one of those, just a plain fitted bed sheet. And I want to put another piece of art then, it definitely isn't a piece of art. So I bought another gold frame and I'm going to put that up by my desk once I choose a print for it, as I found that prints really make my space cozy and they just give it a bit more vibrancy and personality. And last but not least, the biggest purchase of all was this, a mattress cover. I'm renting in my space at the moment, and the mattress that was on the bed has not been comfortable, and even though I've been here for years, because it's a Murphy bed, I have ummed about getting a mattress cover, but I am trying to make my space as cozy as it possibly can be, and so I gave in, went to Ikea, tried this out. It felt really good in the store, but obviously I don't know how it's going to feel on my bed, so I'm going to put this on now, and I'm really hoping that it will improve the coziness of my bed. Good morning everyone. It is yoga day again today. I didn't manage to go twice this week, but once is still better than no times. I'm feeling extra tired today, just haven't been sleeping that well lately, but I'm always looking forward to going to yoga. I'm glad to be up early and I always feel better after it. Just finished. I am definitely feeling the 5 hours of sleep today, but I am still glad I went. It's always good to move my body first thing I'm just gonna head to the supermarket to grab some bits for breakfast, hopefully fuel my body so that I can work today and have energy to last throughout the day. Good afternoon, everyone. I have just made myself a cup of tea and got ready as I have to leave for work soon. So I am on a mission to make my space, my small studio apartment, as cozy and as comfortable as possible. So I wanted to update you all on the mattress topper I bought from Ikea. It's amazing. I'm very, very glad I bought that, and I regret not getting one sooner, as it just makes my bed that much more comfortable. It's kind of like a memory foam, so it feels firm but still really cozy. I've been trying to make some small upgrades to my space to make it as homely as possible. So I did buy one more thing. I'm going to open it with you now. I'm going to have a sip of tea first. And I'm also going to have a mini cookie. Has to be dipped in the tea, of course. There's nothing like a biscuit dipped in tea. Okay, so back to home organisation. I bought some plastic can holders on Amazon, and we're going to see if they fit in my fridge. Let's open them first. Here they are. There should be two in here. Oh yes, that's number one. Should be here. Sorry. You know you're in your 30s when you get really excited about home organisation. I'm just really hoping that these fit in my fridge. I did do some loose measurements. They are stackable, but I will likely put them side by side. Okay, here they are. Now to put them in the fridge and put some cans in them. Okay, so this is what my fridge is looking like currently. It's not too unorganised, but it can always be more organised. So I'm just going to take them out because I feel like they're going to fit on this shelf better.
Hours later.
Okay, we did it. The only space they fit, I was about to send them back. The only space they fit was on the middle shelf, and I can close the door of the fridge. At least they look cute though. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of the stuff back in the fridge. There she is. Okay, fridge is one step more organised. I am very relieved that I managed to find a spot for them, as they probably were a little big. I didn't factor in the shelves on the fridge door, so just a PSA for anyone who is buying can holders for their fridges. Factor in the fridge door. That was a rookie mistake. The next things I'd like to do to my space, I bought the gold frame that I showed you in the Ikea haul, and I need to find a print that will go inside that. I just find that prints really help make it more cozy, make it more personalised and fun. I've done a lot over the years that I've lived here. I've lived here for maybe 4 years now, 3-4 years. So slowly I've made changes. I wish I had filmed everything, but I didn't. So I will just take you along for the parts that I do change.